Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix MSI laptop stuck in BIOS loop. First, we will reset the BIOS to its default settings. Turn on your laptop and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key, usually Delete or F2. Once inside the BIOS, navigate to the Save and Exit tab. Look for an option that says Load Optimized Defaults or Load Setup Defaults and select it. This will reset all settings to their original configuration, which can fix issues caused by incorrect settings. If the problem continues, check whether your laptop detects the boot drive. Go back into the BIOS and look for the Storage Information or Boot tab. Confirm that your hard drive or SSD appears in the list. If it is not detected, it may be unseated or have failed. In that case, you can try removing the drive and reconnecting it carefully, or consider replacing it if it is damaged. Another step is to switch the boot mode. In the BIOS, locate the boot mode settings. You can toggle between UEFI and CSM or legacy mode. Modern systems work best with UEFI, but some setups may require legacy mode to detect Windows. After changing the mode, save the changes and restart the laptop. If the laptop still does not boot, perform a hard reset. Turn off the laptop, unplug the power cable, and hold the power button down for 30 seconds. Then reconnect the power and try turning it on again. Finally, if Windows cannot be found, you may need to repair it. Use a bootable USB drive containing Windows installation media. Boot from the USB and choose Startup Repair. Follow the on-screen instructions to fix Windows. Thanks for watching.